You're sitting in your sociology class and your professor is going over a study when someone blurts out, well, that's just correlation, not causation. You've probably heard this before, and in some cases it's a fair point, but it also misses something really important about the ways that sociologists study the world. Let's start with the basics. Correlation just means two things change together. So when one thing goes up or down, the other tends to go up or down. Think about education and income. Generally, the more education one has, the more they earn. That's correlation. It's a relationship, but it doesn't mean that a college education causes one to have a higher income. Causation, on the other hand, means that one variable produces change in another. For example, if a controlled experiment showcases that students who study longer for an exam get a higher score on that exam, that's causation because we see a direct link between the two. But here's the catch. In sociology, we can't put entire societies inside a lab. We can't randomly assign people to different levels of education or family income. Social life is too complex and interwoven. That's why sociologists generally look for correlations, patterns that these relationships are worth further investigation. Take this for example. Researchers notice that higher poverty neighborhoods generally have higher crime rates. That's correlation, but the connection isn't one way. At the same time, crime can drive businesses and resources away, thus deepening poverty in that area. That relationship is complex, circular, and layered. We don't see one thing causing another, but instead different elements shaping and reshaping each other. So, when someone blurts out, well, that's just correlation, a sociologist would probably respond, yes, and that's exactly what makes it so valuable. Sociology isn't about proving causes in isolation. Instead, it's about uncovering the relationships that showcase how social life moves and connects.